Many people are wondering how to download Windows 11 26 H2 ISO file officially. Here you can see I'm using Windows 11 26 H2 official build. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the step-by-step process how to download Windows 11 26 H2 ISO file officially. If you just closely take a look at the blog post from Microsoft on June 19, they clearly mentioned that they've officially released Windows 11 26 H2. So now the question is how to download this officially. Now in here I have two methods. So now let's start with the first method and search for download Windows Insider Preview. And here is the link, download Windows Insider Preview ISO file from Microsoft. And here in this page, you just click on this me icon and log in with your Microsoft account. Here it's done. You just scroll and here just click on this drop down. And if you just take a close look at here, if you choose experimental build 26200 series, that certainly includes the all enablement package of 26H2. So now the question is why I'm telling this one upfront as 26H2. Now if you just take a close look at my screen, there is already mentioned 26300.8697. But if we take a close look at here, there is no such build number mentioned over here. So now the question is how to download this one. If you're in a hurry and want the official ISO file, then you definitely gotta download this one. And after installing this build, you just update your Windows and it will suddenly get into this build. If you don't want to take a risk or directly get into build number 26300.8697, then there is another way. You just search for UEP dump. Just click the website. Here it is. Now let me clear you first. What does UEP dump do? UEP dump gives you a tool that allows you to download the Windows 11 any version from the Microsoft's official server. But that's a little bit tricky. So if you really want to download, just choose dev channel over here. And here you just scroll and here you see Windows 11 Insider Preview feature 26300.8697. That is exactly this one. And it released on 19th June. So you definitely gotta download this one. If you're using Intel or AMD machine, then you definitely gotta download this one. Now if you just click in here, you just gotta choose your language and then click on next. And then you just choose your package. For myself, I want to choose Windows 11 Pro only and then click on next. And here we choose the default option, download and convert to ISO, and then include updated Microsoft servers only. And here it shows total size of the file is 9.72 gigabytes. That's huge. You definitely need to be on a stable network. Once you're ready, click create download package. Once the download file is completed, you just close your browser, open a file explorer, go to downloads, and here you see the zip file. Just right click on the file, select extract all, click on extract. Here it's done. Now you can delete the zip file and just open the folder. And here you see an executable file. And here is the most dangerous part. Always check the genuine source of the executable files before running it as administrator. Right click on the file and just run as administrator. And now just click on run. Click on yes. And here it is. Now you just gotta type R and your download process will be started. Please don't install Windows 11 26 H2 to your primary PC cause this one is still on a development phase. So features may break your PC, some features may not work properly, or you may face different bugs. So if you have a secondary PC, always recommended to install for educational purpose only or check-in. So that's all how you can download Windows 11 26 H2. If you love this breakdown, hit like, subscribe to Sudama Lab. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.